Welcome to the March 2025 Hero Studio Layering Stencil of the Month called It's Your Day. Let's take a look at this month's product. This is a 4-piece layering stencil when once all the layers are lined up and ink blended, creates the large sentiment It's Your Day and confetti around the edge. This sentiment fills an A2 size card front nicely and can be used for many occasions such as birthday, anniversary, graduation, and many more. Now let's create a card. I'm starting by attaching an A2 size piece of deluxe smooth white cardstock to a piece of grid paper using repositionable tape. Each stencil has square registration marks in the corner for easy alignment and a number in the bottom left-hand corner to assist you in the order to layer the stencils. Start by ink blending the first layer of the stencil with Paradise ink and a blending brush, making sure to blend the squares in the corners. Remove the stencil, place the second layer of the stencil over the top, lining up the squares, and blend with Bermuda ink. I'm going to wipe away the excess ink and go over the top with Hero Hue's Reactive Glitz ink in Egyptian blue using a small dauber to add a bit of shine to one of the layers. Next, I'm going to hit this with my heat tool to make sure I don't smear any ink with my next layer. For the third layer of the stencil, I'm going to use pink grapefruit. The fourth layer of the stencil, I'll be using pale tomato ink. After wiping away the excess ink, I'm going to apply glitter paste using a palette knife. I set my panel aside, and once it was completely dry, I'm stamping a sentiment from the Message Strips Stampin' Cut XL using my pitch black ink. To draw more attention to the sentiment, I created a frame using the Nesting Oval Infinity die and added it over the top using foam strips. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.